How's it going, guys? We are doing our Franken lady today. I did a Frankenstein girl a long time ago, so it'd be interesting to see if this one is, how much better this one is, if it is going to be much better. I do want to do like maybe purple eye makeup for this look. Should I have a human piece? Like one of the things, should it be skin colored or should I just do them all green? I feel like I should just do them all green. Or like some kind of shades. Okay, so once we've got like all these like the bare bones colors on, we'll start to do like detail work. I'm thinking purple eye makeup and red lips. I do think that purple and green are a really nice combination, the same way like with purple and yellow. I think it would be really nice to do complementary red lips with, because we've got green. Green is obviously the predominant color, and red is complementary. I will do lots of shading on these. It's going to look much more realistic, but I am going to start with just doing like the face makeup. Well, the wings are a bit janky, but once we stick some lashes on, nobody will be nary the wiser. I feel like I'm getting to the point where, like, I'm at this crossroads, right? And I'll be real honest with you guys, because it is what it is, right? Obviously, when I do body painting, the most success that I get is when I do full body painting. I'm not stupid, I know why, alright? If I do body painting that includes the chest, then I'm guaranteed to get more viewers than I am doing, say, like this. And so as a creator who is trying to succeed by, you know, growing their channel, it can be very, very difficult and frustrating when you enjoy doing more smaller focused looks that don't include boobage, because I also have like tremendous like body anxiety and fears and all that kind of stuff. it can be really stressful when your channel doesn't do as well doing the things that you're more comfortable doing and the things that you have like a lot of enjoyment to do. And it's not to say that I don't enjoy doing full body paints. I do. I love doing them. It's just sometimes it can be very, very difficult, like mentally, to do them because one, they take a really long time and they are very, very exhausting, and two, you are under so much scrutiny when you do a full body paint. You're under scrutiny because of your body. You're under scrutiny by people who want to see you banned off the platform. You're like, it's so freaking hard. It can be very, very draining emotionally. And so, yeah, I get it. Like, I feel so tired and exhausted after I do full body paint. Sometimes I feel super, super rewarded. In fact, most times I feel super, super rewarded when I do them because I feel like, you know, they're always received for the most part really well. But it's about that anxiety of putting myself out there. It's very scary. Look at the size of this chunk. Like, are you kidding me? Look how big she is. Hi. Right, let's put some lashes on. Have you guys been enjoying these spoopy looks? I'm becoming a dinner lady. I always think that I look like a dinner lady when I do this. Lunch lady Doris. I don't know how people put wigs on. I just do this, right? But sometimes when I see people put them on, they put them on in such a way that looks so elegant and like they just look instantly good. And I just don't know how people do that. How do you guys rate this look anyway? My little child. My little child. I just love him. Now I'm going to go and photograph this look. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you have a wonderful evening. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Love you.